press the button. Oh man, I want to be inside the house. Well, never mind that. I want to see what's inside. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my freaking. Oh my god. Die. Die, cow. I want your meat. I want burgers. Okay. I'm still very sick. What do you mean? It's very buggy. Very stressful. There. Right there, right there, right there, right there. Right over there. Okay. Okay. La la la. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Oh my freaking god! Oh my god! At least this blue present. What do you mean? I have 14! I have more! The lasers are gonna come. Lasers are gonna come. Right here, I think. I don't know. Oh my god! That's the same spawn. Oh my god. I don't know how I survived. Are you sure it's right here? Oh my god, I almost survived. I almost died, I mean. Nope. Nope. Oh my god, that was so close. Okay. Right here. Aw, man, bruh. So freaking close. Mom. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh my freaking god. Oh my. Why can I not scroll on? Oh my god. What do you mean? Hey guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so we're doing dodgeball. Yeah. Oh my god. So stressful. But I feel like I remember we can go right here. Oh, I guess we couldn't. I feel like I remember someone going through. Wait. Oh my god. No! Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. Blue team won, bro. I want to be in blue team. Screw you. Yeah, that's what I think of you guys. La 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 la. Yes, I won! That was a lot of complete silence. Sorry if you guys got disturbed because of the silence. I just said silence 3 times. Because I was about to say 2 times, but then I said it again. So yeah, it's 3 times. This is what I think of you guys, the blue team. No. Alright, bet. Oh man, that guy's such a. I can't find. Oh my god. Open. Open. 10 coins, bruh. Bruh. Oh my god. Bruh. Join me. Join me. Oh my body. Oh wait. I forgot this game doesn't kind of doesn't work. So the body script doesn't work. This game is pretty like old, made in 2020. Not that old, but still. The body acid probably doesn't work anymore. They should probably update the body script so it can work again. So I could say that slop 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 and give us that face again. Oh, why am I the only one? This is so unfair. Oh my freaking god. Did I win? Yes! How much people are here? You know, I'm going to a different lobby. Alright guys, we're at another lobby. Oh man. Why can't we? This is what I think of this avatar or something. Why is it not doing anything? Yeah, this is what I think about that body shape right there. I like the blocky ones. This. I know that's not blocky, but it's still kind of classic. Even though that was made in 2020, but still. Yeah, this is what I think of this person. This person's body shape. This is what I think of it. Why are you not doing anything? Yeah, this is what I think. And I also think about it like this. That's how much I hate it. Why is my hand like that? My hand. Oh my god. Bruh. Oh, sword fight. There's the sky. The alien sky. Freaking god. Plus, I kind of like the sword fight on the hype song. My TikTok color matches it. Bruh. Nah. Oh my god. That was the biggest jump ever. Now you. Yes, I will. Oh man, I want to kill that. I hate the body shape. I want the blocky. Like that, I guess. Get ready to push each other with a blow dryer. No, I hate this one because I can't move my screen without the blow dryer. See, I can't move my screen. And I can't jump. So I have to I can't jump. Oh my god, I can't jump. I can't jump. I cannot jump. This person, take that. Lord. Bro, this is so unfair. I can't even move my screen. I said I was moving my thumb like that, and I couldn't even move it, bro. This is what I think of you. This is what I think of you. This is what I think of you. And this, and this, and this, and this, and this. This is what I think of you. I think of you beating me like this. Hold on, like this. Like this. Oh my god, like this. And this. Yeah. Bro, why is my hand like that still? Ew. They really gotta fix this in the Baldi script. Cause what the hell is that? Like, what the hell is that, bro? What the hell, bro? Yeah, I just want to take a photo of that. Wait, this guy's in America shirt. This is what I think of you, America shirt guy. Oh my god, no, 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 oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, no, no. This is what I think of you, Meteor. Oh my god, no. No! Let me walk in peace. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me just walk. I wanna hear. Can I still touch it even if it... Oh, that person answered the question. Snowball fight again? Wait, no, we didn't do a snowball fight yet. Oh my god. Oh. There's when the snowballs take damage. It's like a lava brick. Damage brick, I mean. Wait, look. Alright guys, I did some off-camera stuff. And guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Bye guys. What? Wait, was that bubble wrap soon? Okay, bye guys, bye.